We are from ORA UK, and today we have brought ORA to Wessex garages for the retailer First Look event. I think it's really quirky, I think it's really funky.
It's a really bold, retro design.
It's a great little five-seater, good value for money.
Design's beautiful. Interior, stunning.
A lot posher than I thought it was in pictures.
I really like the facial recognition system because I would get to drive the car with my own preferences.
Very comfy. Yeah, it looks like a good car.
Very excited, just like a Volkswagen.
I'd be interested in doing a test drive in, absolutely.
I think they've gone to a great deal of trouble to make something that's extremely appealing.
Quite blown away, actually. Yeah, great little car.
What more can I say? This car has everything.